We split the first two games here. This is the rubber match here. We got some new talent in Toronto. Much needed talent. We got the old talent out of there. We had to get him out. Hoffman. We're moving in a different direction here. Y'all still far behind because the Red Sox done turned this thing on. Tampa Bay still in. Obviously, the Yankees there. Y'all gotta have an insane August and September. We'll see. 2 months of baseball left. Let's get it. See if y'all gotta beat Houston.
The ASTROS at home. 13 home
gotta
29 extra base hits.
Let's go.
Last 8 home games.
Let's go. Oh, they brought in Hunter. Oh boy. And don't get it confused. Houston's been playing good. Blue Jays, y'all been better than what y'all have been. So let's go. He swear he's so tough with the arm sleeve tattoo. Stop. Luke's leading off.
Diesel starting out with some fuel today.
The Diesel? There's no way we calling him that. The Diesel's crazy.
97.5 miles an hour TK, but still a very good pitch just off that outside edge that Lucas.
The Diesel, y'all getting out of hand. The Diesel?
People's attention in the Blue Jays dugout with that first at bat.
Okay.
They go after that one on
oh, don't chase that.
Fastball
something about when he walks off the mound. I like his walk-off aura.
98, he's showing some good velocity early on.
Like,
that's a good start.
Right to him, geez.
No harm done, and after a half inning, Blue Jays.
All right, now with my boy Springer, we got the bottom of the first hit.
His Toronto debut.
Jameson Taillon, 10th major league
yep.
season for the 34.
Got him.
Second overall.
So what we got going on here? This bullpen game?
Pirates just finishing up.
I don't remember him ever being a starter.
$1 million deal with the Cubs.
Since when?
Has been the issue this season.
Alvarez 5 for 15, a 333 average lifetime against Taillon. That includes a homer.
Man, he's
yeah, they. How 80? That's what I was about to ask. 81 walks of the season. Jesus, 21 games on base. Paredes, there you go. That's the old Altuve right there, bro. Don't let him get heated up, bro.
Watching Altuve over the years on how he can go out there and just get
yes, sir.
bunches. This is a curveball down out of the zone, but he keeps his.
Yeah, always been a good a hitter. I can't talk today. I'm struggling. Without the wire, with the wire, without the trash cans, he's always been good. Varsho go to Houston. He looked like he's something different over there. On base, he reaching, getting hits.
For Christian Walker, who comes in.
He's always been good, but damn. It just shows you sometimes is about the team you on. If you struggle offensively, sometimes it just might be you. Collectively, it's a team thing. Look at the way he's shaking his. He gotta stop. He's so tough. Why did he be acting so tough?
Stunned him after all those breaking balls. All of a sudden, you see a fastball. It looks like
it's got him, yeah. Got the sinker in.
A couple more two-seamers to left-handed hitters as well.
1-2-3 second inning for Hunter Brown. Starting with that game on May 22nd.
My boy digging in the ears, man.
Into it 20 and 31. They've gone 39 and
Jesus.
25.
Yo, he looks like he's 5 years old. Every time I see
Red Sox.
I was like, wait, I'm watching Little League baseball here, Alan. Up the middle, nobody there. If the ump had a glove, he would have caught that.
Hanging breaking ball, sweeper up top.
Bro, can somebody tell me how tall he is? If Altuve's taller than you, that's crazy. Serpina. Oh, nice pitch. Oh, my God. Oh, my. Nice pitch. Ooh. I didn't know his sweeper was sweeping like that.
For Hunter, a couple of games ago, he started to slow down his hands mechanically. His hands move quite a bit when he goes through the windup.
And Brown picks up another strikeout. Hunter has struck
out another K. He loved grabbing his meat after he finished, bro. We get it. Like, okay, we get it, bro. You got him there.
Today so far.
I can't lie. I can't stand Hunter, bro.
Got him. Strike 3, another heater.
Oh,
Strikeout
bro.
for Hunter Brown. We played 2.5 at Dyken Park. There's no score with the Blue Jays and Astros.
Yo, Blue Jays, can we heat up?
Things off. The AL
I guess nothing happened there.
3-1. Is ripped on a line.
Oh, Ernie, my guy. That's what I'm talking about, Ernie.
So dangerous. He's so good. Alvarez is.
Always is.
Bat head out in front.
Here's Altuve. 8 hits in his last 4 games.
Yeah, he's on the. Ooh. Oh no, to the porch. Oh, he's back. He's back.
Home run number 13 on the year. 5 consecutive hits for Altuve going back to.
I'm just going to smell it. I'm not going to put it on. You know what I noticed? It looks like they gave Vladdy the day off. I haven't seen Vladdy.
Here against Tyone with 1 out. There goes Varsho, who stole the base without.
Varsho, damn, I should have kept him. I don't care what nobody say. I know he probably only had like what this last year on the deal, but damn,
Tyone gives up less.
I always liked him, bro.
And this year, it's just under 3.
Ooh, got him.
Elevating the heater at 92. Third K.
Got him. I don't remember Jameson a starter. He's always been a starter. Maybe I gotta stay up the weeds. Maybe.
Up at the top for the swing and strikeout.
Here's Walker. Struck out last time up. Astros lead 1-0. Bottom of the 3rd.
That ball ripped.
Ripped. Damn it.
Come on now, dog. Come on, man.
Yeah, he's still playing some good ball, bro. Ski mask on.
9-game hitting streak. He's only had 1 longer hitting streak in his career.
Picks up his 65th RBI of the season. It's 2-0.
So Lamont Wade Jr. bats with a runner in scoring position and 2 outs. In the center, that'll be down.
Oh my.
Walker around third.
Straws, yeah, can't do nothing about it. Oh, looked like the game over, bro. Well, no, it was only the bottom of the 3rd. You got time, bottom of the 3rd.
A couple more 2-out runs here today.
You can't afford to give up no more runs here, though. There we go. Jimenez, there we go. Let's get it. It's weird to see him on first base. I could get to him. Cash.
Tapper towards third.
Oh, I knew he was gonna miss that backhand. It was just a weird angle.
Unaware that the ball got to the outfield.
Yep. That was tough. That was tough.
At first base on this chopper that got by Nick.
All right, we go.
Count to Sanchez, and that is right there. Fastball for a called third. Jesus Sanchez doesn't pull the trigger, and he strikes out number 6 for Hunter Brown.
There's a reason they call the fastball the noise sometimes, because all you hear is it.
Got me losing my voice over here.
What happened to Sanchez? That's a 2-seamer that stayed right on that inner third.
It didn't move. Yeah, I don't know. It was right there.
Sanchez, after that pitch, he kind of looked out at Brown like, are you kidding me?
Yeah, it was just he's filthy. I like his stuff. Could do that easy too. That's an easy two. Damn.
Hunter Brown wipes away the error.
It's like I like him, but I don't like him, but I like him.
Who was called out on strikes his first time up. The Blue Jays.
Come on, Val.
32.7.
Let's get something going. Let's get something going.
Pitches today. Hunter came in with a swing percentage against him of 41.7%, which was second lowest in all of baseball.
All the baseball.
2 called third.
Oh, you went for that. Throw it up.
Strikeout. Yiner will complete the strikeout with a throw to first.
Damn, this thing looking like a shutout. The way he's pitching, I just need to see his pitch count to see where he's at.
Hunter Brown, his last 2 starts plus today.
Yep.
Now up to
Lock the hell in.
15 innings in those 3 starts with 2 runs allowed.
Oh,
This one off the end
get some help right there.
for Allen.
Tough, but he got it. Oh, shit.
Sensation.
Yeah, he had no chance. He backed off a little bit. Nice charge. And he got it by his pinky finger. And what's this finger called? Is that your index?
In terms of getting out in front and show me
I think that's the index.
Straw with a deep line drive.
Okay, that's a start. That's a start. Yes, that's a start. That's a double. That's a start. Top of the 6. 1 out double.
And drives it deep to left.
I mean,
I feel like you can't talk to Altuve on second. He be getting in your head, man.
Cheat, open. He opens up,
Yep.
fastballs up and in. He
There we
makes an
go.
adjustment.
There we go,
Something
Sherrill.
drastic to force him out of this rhythm he's in.
Strong third. Blue Jays trying to get on the board.
All right. To us. There we go. There go one. You don't know how huge a run is in a three-run game.
3-1. Jesus Sanchez, who is
Jesus, what are you doing?
swinging a fly ball.
Oh shit! It's time! Oh my God, they back in it! Yeah, all that huffing and puffing and all that doing that. What's up? What's up, Hunter? All day he's pitched the gym. One swing of a bat, aka Jesus. Tired of your ass, man. Oh yeah, he got that. Like he like, come on. Normally he's smiling and laughing, but you know that was about business. He like, come on, come on, top of the eighth. What the hell is this?
See the numbers overall on the season in 43 games for Bryant.
Top of the order for the Blue Jays. Nathan Lucas leading things off.
Luke.
Got him.
Jeez.
4 relievers in Astros franchise history with 500 strikeouts.
Oh my. Okay, he's like that, dude. I didn't know that. Oh boy, I remember Billy. Oh, I remember Billy Wagner. Brad Lidge, the run he had was just insane. I wish they could go back to that hat. That was the best Astros hat ever, bro. I don't know which I got. Y'all try to go to throwback. I don't like it. Get out. Take that hat off.
Out there for the bottom of the ninth in this tie game.
Tie game. Smart to bring in Louis because you don't want to get hurt here. Hit the numbers there. His numbers is sensational.
100 batters faced. First time as an all-star this year. He has really just grown into his own.
Yes, sir.
Into the latter part of this season, becoming an absolute beast late in the games.
Nice, Louis. Oh my God, 99. Walk off. That's straight gas.
And we are headed to
extras.
Bennett Sousa is now on.
All right, here we go. Y'all got the Ghost Runner.
Marking his 13th appearance for the Astros, has a 2.89 ERA.
Get it.
Luis
Ghost.
the automatic runner at
Yes, sir.
Corner infield
Ernie.
for Ernie Clement.
Ernie! Hey, Bird, take the shirts off. Oh, he felt that one. Look at Ernie. That thing was absolutely smooth.
Take a 5-3 lead.
Did they bring VAR? They brought Louis back out? Please tell me they brought Louis back out.
They're going to do it against Chase Lee.
Jordan represents.
Oh, damn. They just, okay, it makes sense. You brought him in just to get you the extras.
Sending the tying run. Smashes one. Fair ball. To the wall and right. In to score Pena. Jordan digging for second. He will be
Boy, ain't no way, bro.
out at second base.
Boy, ain't no
he
way,
got
bro.
By Nathan Lucas
we got him at second?
Cannot believe that throw was
There's
on
no
him.
way
And
we...
the tag made by Jimenez for a huge
Look at
first down of the inning.
That ball smoked at 114.
I'm surprised we got him
On the
out.
backside of Jordan before he got onto the base. It looks like that foot might be on
I
the
can't
base.
tell. Oh, he's safe. He's safe.
Runner is out.
Oh, wow. Oh, shit. I don't know. I couldn't. The angles I seen. Yo, y'all gotta let me know. Comment section. Y'all gotta let me know.
Joe Espada out of the dugout, and he gets tossed. You can't argue a replay review, and Doug Eddings throws out Joe Espada.
Yo.
Believe that Alvarez is out. It is an RBI single for Jordan.
Only good thing is that Ernie hits a 2-run home run. If not, this game would have been tied. We'd have been going back and forth forever. Could I look at this?
First out of the inning.
That ball smoked at 114.8.
It looked like he was, unless it's tippy toe, but look at the angle he got. Like, what are you doing? I don't know what you seen. I don't know.
Out of the inning.
That ball smoked at 114.8. Did that
For those watching the game, Could y'all let me know legitly?
Get on the backside of Jordan before he got onto the base. It looks like that foot.
Like, why y'all send me this angle? What I'm supposed to see there?
Joe Espada out of the dugout, and he gets tossed.
Yeah, they threw him automatically. They didn't even let that man come out of there.
And Doug Eddings throws out Joe Espada, who can't believe that Alvarez is out. It is an RBI single for Jordan.
The last second leaps up and makes the grab.
That's game.
First pitch swinging,
that's game, Marshall. You wish you would have been the hero, right?
Third series in
What did I say? Since I put the hat on, 3rd series in a row.
Chase Lee has his first big save.
It's a start. I'm telling you, it's a damn start. I love y'all. I see y'all when I see y'all. It's one series at a time, baby.